Hi Felters and welcome. So the point of these videos is if you were thinking of starting up your own business, this is going to go along with my business series, and this is for you guys to get an insight into how my business is going and how I'm running it, especially as this is my first month monetized on YouTube, which is really exciting, and I'm going to go through how much I earned in a bit, and also I've got Amazon affiliates, and then how much my Etsy sales were, my private sales through things like Instagram, and a couple of other bits and bobs that have happened, which shows you how a business can progress. I'm going to be as honest as I can with the figures. I'm not one to be shy about talking about money. I think it's a good thing to be open when it comes to money, especially with children. A little bit about myself is that I do this business in and around looking after the children. I used to work full-time, but obviously when you have children, it's a lot easier if one of you is around, especially if one of them's not very well. My daughter gets quite bad migraines and I home educate her. She was at school. I'm not against school, but she got the migraines when she was about 11 and she fell behind and she hated school as well. So I've ended up home educating her. So during my day, I have to spend about 2 to 3 hours doing that, walk the dog, clean the house and all the usual stuff that goes along with it. And I run my business around it. And this is why, especially starting up a YouTube channel, seemed to work really well. So this will hopefully give you an insight into how the day goes and what I do. Right, so what I'm going to do is on the or around the first of each month, I'm going to sort of debrief you as to what happened for the month just gone by. So we are talking about November because it's the 1st of December today. What happened last month? So I was monetized on about the 2nd, and I had no idea what to expect from being monetized, and I really honestly thought I would only earn, if I was lucky, £15, something like that. So we'll go through that in a minute. I also started up my Amazon affiliates. They started up a short while ago. Takes a while to work out all the links and how to do it all. And when it first started, I was literally getting, so when you purchase something, I get a very small percentage of that when you click on my link. So literally 1, 2, 3% if I'm lucky. And because needle felting tools aren't that much money, like the mat you buy is about £6, £7, £8. I didn't expect barely any money from that. So in the beginning it was like 10p and things like that, but it started to add up this month, so we'll go through that in a second. I also sell stuff on Etsy, and I also do some PDFs on Etsy. So and Instagram, people contact me through Instagram and I do commissions directly and they do bank transfers, so that way it's not being sold on Etsy. So those are the kind of things that have happened. Other things that have happened this month is I did a needle felting book review of sort of 6 or 7 of my favourite books, and 2 of the ladies that wrote the books saw the reviews and contacted me and were really happy about it, and I was over the moon that they'd seen my videos, and the books are fantastic anyway. I wouldn't choose books I didn't like to review, so that was really nice. I've also been contacted by a wool company and they would like to send me some free samples to look at, and then obviously if I like them I'm going to make something out of them as a tutorial maybe, to help promote their company, because they're just setting up. And I do like promoting independent companies. I think it's a really good way for the wool industry to go, especially selling their wool to crafters, because they might get a little bit more, but it's not a sponsorship or anything. They're not paying me to say anything. They would just gift me some of the wool so I can have a go and sample it, so that's exciting. I'm also going to enter, hopefully when I get it done, the Exmoor pony into the Exmoor pony centennial competition. I'm going to put him on a base and then send some pictures off, so that'd be really exciting if they like him. So a couple of things for the future that I'm looking at trying to develop is, well, I've got a craft fair on the 13th of December, so that will be good to see how it goes if the lockdown is all opened up. I've got to finish quite a few commissions as well. I'm also going to do, my next 4 videos will be done. I've got 3 of them planned really well. I really would like to develop my PDFs that I sell on Etsy. So if somebody, instead of watching a YouTube video and seeing it all, it's all put out on a document and you can just have it on your phone. And literally my PDFs have over 150 photos and really clear instructions. I've only done 2 so far and they've gone down really well with people that have bought them. but they do take me 3 to 4 days to do, because by the time you take the photos, load it on, and then write all the instructions, it takes a long time. But once they're there, they're done and people just download them. So I've got to develop my PDFs. I'm starting to plan a couple of online tuition courses for January. I've moved it to January so as not to stress myself, and they're going to be available on probably Thinkific, but again, it's researching all the platforms and where you're going to put it and how you're going to record it. I need to build up my Etsy shop stock, because that's really low, because I was selling at craft fairs. This is the problem with, if you have a needle felting shop, it's trying to felt things fast enough. So that's why I've been trying to look at other ways of making money through the PDFs, through online tuition, through YouTube. I'm going to develop a new range as well for my Etsy shop, develop my packaging a little bit better, make it a bit more smarter, a bit more unique, a bit more special for the customer, because I think that's really important. And then I'm going to start looking at sorting out my tax return, because I'm going to have to fill one in this year. So those are my future plans. We'll have a look through the money now, and I'll just explain it all, and then we'll have a little chat before the end. Let's go and have a look at YouTube, and I'll talk you all through that now. So here we are where the arrow is. That is how much I earned in 1 month through my adverts, £359. Amazing. And this is my CPM, the £10. That's clicks per 1,000. And then that is another figure which is to do with how much money I earn. And I honestly think they've got them wrong, but you know, I'm over the moon. I was earning about £8 or £9 a day at the beginning, and now it's gone up to about £20 a day. So really, really can't believe it. I really can't. This top video here has earned me over £155 in 1 month. It's incredible. And some of the other videos are doing quite well down there too. So really, I can't believe it. £359. Brilliant. That was YouTube, and utterly amazed with that. Really was over the moon. So the rest of the figures were £82 for Amazon affiliates, which was fantastic, because like I said, it started off so slowly and it's built up, and that was split sort of half and half between US and UK. Those are the only 2 countries that I've got Amazon affiliates with at the moment. £213 on Etsy, and that was a little bit lower because I had to take loads of my items off because I was selling them at craft fairs, and like I said, there's only so many things you can felt. And then £192 through Instagram, through direct sales, where people contact me and then they just do a bank transfer. And so that was sort of a couple of extra commissions. So totaling £847.13, which to me is a fantastic amount. And I didn't expect YouTube to be anywhere near that much. That's sort of the big booster there. I would like to ultimately be doing £500 a month that I could take and keep as a wage, because that is a small part-time job in my eyes, and anything else will go back into the business, because I might need to buy a camera, do some lighting, and just sort of make the YouTube channel a little bit more professional. So, you know, there's an update. I hope you've enjoyed going through everything and how it all works. I don't expect to be earning that much. It is the lead up to Christmas. I have got a craft fair next month to add in as well, but I do expect 800 to be quite a bit. I think it would be more likely down to the 400 or 500s in the next few months if I'm lucky. So we'll see where it goes. I will do these for a couple of months, and hopefully you guys enjoy them. If you've got any questions, do ask in the comments. I read the comments every morning when I get up. And it is cliche and sad to say, but actually it's some of the best things is to read the comments and people say, oh, you know, something I've mentioned has really helped them. It's just so nice. It's like getting a good review on Etsy. It's just so nice. It's so lovely. And everyone has been really fantastic and positive so far. So thank you very much. I do love reading all the comments. And at the moment I can reply to them all because I'm not a big channel or anything. I can reply to practically everybody. I have got quite a few more videos to come. If you only want to follow me for my felting tutorials, I really apologise, and thank you for watching this if you have watched it all. I have got a couple of really good tutorials to come. I've been so busy needle felting dogs. They're just up there behind me. That will come out really soon. But thanks for watching, felters. Happy felting, and see you again. Bye.